Why do doctors use a stethoscope? The answer takes us back to a surprising medical mystery from the 19th century. Before the stethoscope, doctors mainly relied on what they could see and touch. But in the 18th century, listening to body sounds or auscultation started gaining attention. Doctors faced a tricky problem. Placing an ear on a patient's chest wasn't always practical, especially for women. Enter Rene Laënnec, a French physician who changed everything by accident. Struggling with direct auscultation, Laënnec rolled up a paper tube and discovered he could hear heartbeats clearly. Voila, the first stethoscope was born. At first, many were skeptical. But as the stethoscope evolved with binaurals, diaphragms, and bells, it became indispensable. Today, we even have digital stethoscopes that amplify and record sounds. The stethoscope revolutionized diagnosis and treatment, showing the power of observation and problem-solving in medicine. It's a reminder that innovation often starts with a simple idea.